This little bitch ass motherfucker from Utah wants to come on TikTok and run his dick suckers about me, not knowing the facts. Them little petition that got together about me assaulting women or children, that ain't ever no fact behind it. Wasn't no children involved and wasn't no assault involved. They was just robbed because they was selling drugs in the neighborhood, and that's a fact. Also, you called my son's mother the night before the fight was scheduled, telling her, tell Chucky to stop what he's doing, or else you and your son will come on missing. You know, that was no threat to me, and that ain't surprising to me, coming from a bitch like you in Utah, a motherfucker that got turned out in the Utah prison system and was probably an aide and assistant washing drawers for them motherfuckers. You the epitome of a bitch and a poser, and I got your pussy ass one way or another. You come on this motherfucker running all your mouth about this and that, like you tough and you did this and that. I swear to God, boy, if you came to Chicago, you would get checked quick fast. I put you in your bitch ass place quick fast. But that's neither here nor there. On the 28th, I don't give a fuck how much training you got, you little bitch. I'm gonna make sure I fuck you up quick fast. And then when you go down, make sure you stay down, because I'm gonna make sure your little pussy ass stay down. You wanna make shit personal? Like I say, you little bitch, you better show up on the 28th, or I'll be at your house to address your pussy ass. And that's facts. Fucking bitch ass motherfucker.